I started here when I was 19. I heard about it through my uncle. He worked here for so many amount of years, and he said it's a great company to work for. So I applied and I got the job. Like when I first started here, I didn't know anything about trailers. I mean, you don't have to have experience to get in this industry. We teach you on the job, basically everything. I even got sent to Minnesota DOT. They teach you all the laws and all that. Reps come in from like brake companies, ABS companies in here. They have classes and give you some ideas when you have that issue come in, and they go over what causes that issue and they give you good training and all that. Every day is different. Usually when I get here, get all my tools situated for what do I need for that job, get my paperwork done first thing, and then I could be doing axle swaps, or I could be working on a wheel end, or welding, suspension swaps, light harnesses. It just every day is different. It's not like a regular 8 to 5 job where you come in, you're like, just another day. Now that I've been here for so long, it's more like a friends and family than just coworkers. The guys I work with out on the floor, they're more like friends. We actually hang out outside of work. It's a good company. They treat you fair. They go the extra mile to make you feel like appreciated. It's a great job. Whatever you need, they're here for you. It's not like a corporate place where you're just an employee. It's a big family thing.